Hello everyone, we are having here All India rank 17 for GATE Computer Science, and her name is Sejal Upadhyay. So congratulations Sejal.
Thank you.
So how you are feeling today as your All India rank is 17. So it's like everybody's dream to be in a top 50 or a top 20. So how you are feeling today?
Good. It's mixed right now. I can't believe I've achieved rank 17.
So, yeah. So Sejal has you have prepared for GATE for almost for 2 years, and in your first attempt you have secured all India rank as 400, and now directly on a 17. So what was that you have jumped from 400 to directly on 17 rank?
I wanted to study in a good college. Like for engineering, I did not get a very good college. It was MIT. So I wanted the tag of IITs. So getting a 422 rank last year, I did not get in any top IIT colleges. So this year, करना है तो अच्छा ही करना है. It comes only once in your life. So I decided 1 year is nothing compared if you like in the long run. So I decided to repeat it.
So thank you Sejal, and I would like to ask sir, how was Sejal led in studies and your views about her?
So, if I remember correctly, Sejal came here some May or June 2019 to prepare for GATE, and fortunately she met Arushi, and Arushi is one of the brand ambassador for Vision Gate, and she has guided her to join Vision Gate. So Sejal took decision, and then actually she prepared for 7-8 months. Initially, once she prepared, so in the actually test, regular test, if I'm right, she was getting right some 25, 30, 35 marks, right? I don't think so whether she has crossed any time 50 marks or not at that point of time, in the very first year of the preparation. But she used to come daily early morning here, and used to leave this actually premises, Vision Gate premises, 9 p.m. Even sometimes I am taking class into the another classroom, and she was studying right into the classroom, and we used to play knock the wall actually regularly from the both the sides. But she has a very good caliber and very good quality. She always performed best when actually it required. So she secured rank 422 in GATE 2020 itself. And of course she secured 422, so she has a confidence that I can achieve something. But I know she had doubt also about this, and there are at least 3 to 4 occasions we discussed approximately at night 11 p.m. In March 2020 whether she should take admission in 20 or she should repeat. And my only answer is, when I want that is any student want to learn, so there is only one life, so you achieve whatever best you can achieve. I remember our talk, I said if you will prepare one more year, then you may get admission into the IIT Mumbai and ISC Bangalore. And yes, those statements are now proven true today, and she prepared one whole year. I'll be very honest about her preparations. During this one whole year, there is no doubt she is intelligent, she is able to solve the problem, but she was unable to perform in the test. It's not that she was performing like GATE 20, she performed in 21 much better that, but she was getting kind of 50, 55, right, such kind of marks, never in a single digit into the test, right, and normally into the double digits. So sometimes I had doubt whether I have told the right decision or not. But we have believed that in examination she will perform best. Once she appeared into the examination, out of 65, she has attempted 60 problems, and We discussed about the problems, like others also. She did many mistakes, silly mistakes, but fortunately those mistakes were 1 marks mistake, and now she secured All India rank 17. In few problems she thought much more. Even those people who have given the problem, they did not think that much. Otherwise she would have been got the single digit rank, right? If she would have been attempted those problems. And definitely I am pretty sure that she is going to deliver best in IITs and ISCs, right? In her MTech and in her future career also.
So, Sejal, as you are from the corporate background, as you were doing a job before opting for a GATE, so what made you to drop for the corporate and switching to the GATE and securing an All India rank?
Well, after engineering, if you join a job, so the work, I did not like the work there, what I was doing. I wanted to learn more. I did not know basic things. Like in engineering, from a mediocre college, you don't learn things. I mean, it's on you, and I did not study at all in engineering. So I wanted to learn. I wanted to know how things are working and things are going. And in my job, I did not like what the work I was doing. So I decided to go for GATE.
That's great. Sir, I would like to ask that most of the students are used to do the job as well as simultaneously prepare for a GATE. So, from your opinion, what's the proper way? Means they should drop for the corporate, for the jobs, or they should only rigorously focus on the GATE studies?
To be precise, those who are doing the second year of their engineering, they should start preparation of a GATE, and definitely if they are actually disciplined in their preparation, they are going to qualify in their final year. What it happened with the Jaydeep, and earlier it with Tushar or Tanmay. But suppose you may not be aware, right? You don't know about this kind of opportunity, and once you are working into the industry, and then only you knew, right? Okay, we shouldn't do this particular job. We need to go for the higher studies, right? But then, right? If you think that I did not prepare in second year or third year, so it is not possible. Don't do that mistakes. You can prepare with the job. You can leave the job and you can prepare. I have tons of the examples of successful students. I have students who, after completing their master MSc, MCE, right, after 5 years, he got admission into IIT Mumbai, Vishnu, and he was actually vice president and senior vice president of the topmost actually financial organizations, right? So you can study at any point of time, and fortunately for GATE there is no lower age limit and no upper age limit. This year you may not be aware, the person who appeared for the GATE, fill the form, minimum age is 15 years for 21 and maximum age is 88 years. So you can prepare for GATE at any point of time.
So thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank
Best
you.
wishes. Ready for the big party, big celebration from the Vision Day.